Tito Mboweni, South African Minister of Finance. He advised to use Vaseline, not because he has crusty skin or chipped lips. It's just because he posted on his Twitter account a snap of half-naked ladies captioning simply beautiful. It's always feel good to be in Africa. They said he must leave ladies alone and focus on deducting taxes. Another reply, wow, a picture that truly reflects you as politician. Those girls do not live that life. They are paid to look the part. They carry empty buckets like you carry empty promises. I see what you did there. All those words comes out after misunderstanding of his post. They were trying to advise himself on how to speak properly. I wonder what Tito was trying to say about his post. Please comment down below and don't forget to subscribe and press notification button to be the first to see when I upload it.